One, two. Hello, hello. Can you hear me out there? This is a Crypto Rap exclusive. You are watching Crypto Rap Live, and I am your host. I go by the name of Why Not. I'm the greatest crypto rapper of all time. But right now, I'm the greatest crypto streamer of all time. You guys are watching the greatest program in crypto, Crypto Rap Live. Good to see you. You are the greatest audience in crypto. Thanks for tuning in. Let me send this link around. We are just getting started. Alright. Let me pull a chart up. Let's look at GAT. GAT. Nice. Good looking chart. Let me send this link around when we get started. Just started streaming. Come through. Nice. Welcome to the stream. WEF 6900 for sure. We'll check that out in a second. Let me just finish sending this link around and then we'll get started for real. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Good to have you. Welcome. Good to have you all. It's a pleasure to have you all on the stream. We just got started, so don't go anywhere. Drop your tickers in the chat. We will take a look at them. You are watching Crypto Rap Live. I go by the name of Why Not. I am your host. I'm the greatest crypto rapper of all time. And you are the greatest crypto community of all time. So thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Okay. Sweet. How do you stay locked in crypto? What do you mean? How do you not stay locked in crypto, bro? Every single day, something is changing. Every single day, life-changing money is being made. There are so many opportunities around every corner. You look at this market right now, it's the ripest, the freshest market we've ever had. So much liquidity, so much volume. You can make it. You can make it. You can really make it. If you put the time in, you put the effort in, you're learning, you're growing, you can seriously change the whole trajectory of your life. And not just your life, of your families, of your bloodlines. You can secure generational wealth. Good to see you, Rollo. Birdcatcher says, bro, I got rugged from Aiden buying MLG after he bought. Let's look at MLG. For those of you guys who don't know, Aiden Ross, one of the biggest streamers in the world, mainstream Web2 streamer, forget crypto, just outside of crypto, he's huge. He did a stream today with some of the biggest personalities in crypto. There was over 100,000 people tuned in. Probably a million people over the course of the whole stream. And it was crazy. Huge exposure, huge mainstream exposure for cryptocurrency. And one of the main coins they talked about on stream was this thing right here, MLG. The classic meme, making a revival on the Solana blockchain. The favorite coin of FaZe Banks, Frank D. Gods, Thread Guy, etc., etc. And now Aiden Ross made a sizable investment in this project. And pretty much immediately after buying on stream, he got this big red candle. People just sold right on top of him. He instantly lost $12,000. It's pretty funny. Jose says, yo, good to see you, Jose. Birdcatcher says, I feel banks use this live to exit liquidity. I definitely feel that way as well. You go to Twitter, look, I'm down 12 grand, and then it's just them looking at each other, bro. Jose says, W Discord. Thanks, bro. It really is a W Discord. It is the best community in crypto. I'm so proud of you guys for being so good to each other, for helping each other learn and grow, and for finding quality plays. It's been a down market time, right? It's been an awful period to trade for pretty much everyone. But you guys are hanging in there. You're staying determined. You're still learning, growing, still finding plays. Every single day, I'm impressed with what I see. So keep up the great work. And if you guys are not in that Discord, you are seriously missing out. Santiago says, tell me about this so-called Discord. It's totally free, always will be free. Best community in crypto, over 2,000 people in there. All real people joined directly from stream. 24/7, 365, they're in there finding quality projects to invest in. They're getting some of the earliest entries on some of the top projects in the space. Multi-hundred times calls, 1,000 times calls, the works. The works. Jose says, join. They teach you and show you what are good coins. Listen to that. Even if you're totally new, all experience levels welcome. You join that Discord, they'll help you out. Ask anything you want. They're too kind. They're even in the voice chat, like 24/7. You jump in the voice chat, you ask some people some questions, they'll answer. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. That's the link right there. If you're not in there, not gonna make it. DJ Disco John says, do you got Telegram also? Yeah, I do. My Telegram is at CryptoRapCalls. At CryptoRapCalls is the Telegram group. Jose says, yeah, they be sharing screens to teach about coins. Definitely. They've been teaching technical analysis. They've been teaching how to find new coins in the market. They've been teaching trading strategies, everything. It's like a free course every time you're in there. And the best part is it's all community driven. That all comes from the love and appreciation of each other. And for the Crypto Rap Discord, they're just locked in because they want to see everyone win. It's not like any other server where they're trying to get your exit liquidity or whatever. They're committed to your success. Dip, dip. I think I'm gonna flip. True. Just wait, bro. Full clip. The chart's gonna rip. Brood. 1.3 mil. 2.1 mil volume. This thing is 3 days old. Let's zoom out a little bit. Not the best looking chart, honestly. Looks like it just kind of collapsed right away and then ranged downwards. It did show a sign of life pretty recently, but you got to pay attention to the sell pressure here, right? This thing is really getting shoved downwards quite consistently. I think after a dip like this, you have to understand what that does to the psychology of the holders. They want to get out of here as fast as possible. They want to find something that's going to perform better. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't think this is looking good right now. Nice tech, dude. Thank you. Thoughts on Trump coin? Let's look at the chart on that one. So the president launched a meme coin. Totally unexpected, right? Took the world by storm. But geez Louise, it is having, quite frankly, the worst price action it's had since launch. The chart looks horrific. On any other chart, if it wasn't the president of the United States who launched this, I would call this a straight up rug pull. Instead, I just think it's a horribly mismanaged, kind of quick cash grab scheme cooked up by people close to him, but not actually representative of him or of something that he has interest in. Because all he said about it since its launch is that he doesn't know much about it. And that's totally reflected here on the chart. The whole reason people buy into that project is because they expect some kind of official level endorsement from the guy himself, and he hasn't given them a crumb. The whole market's bleeding left and right because of these recent tariffs or whatever. All in all, it's just been a pretty bearish season, micro season in this broader super cycle. And I gotta say, I think it's a lot of manipulation, right? That's not, the market's not dead forever by any means. We're not going to zero. It just happens to be the conditions that they are right now. And I think there is some intention behind it. So it's nothing to worry about per se. But it is kind of annoying for people that are trying to make a lot of money. Here's Alon. This guy is the founder of Pump Fund. And then he officially endorsed a coin. And that's why it had this crazy candle. Since then, it's pretty much collapsed. But it's the guy who founded Pump Fund, right? It has to go up eventually. Here's my prediction. That guy's probably going to go to jail eventually. And when he goes to jail, this thing's going to go to the moon. So, I don't know how long it's going to be until that happens. But, yeah. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream. Good to have you. It's a quiet night tonight. Barely anybody here. It's a shame. You look nervous? How can you tell what I look like, bro? I just have my glasses on. What on earth would I be nervous about?
FBI has issued a nationwide manhunt for the
Maybe because the
capture of
FBI
Osama
issued a
Bin Laden. 10
nationwide
victims were
manhunt.
found gagged and shot execution style.
X-Gamer says, I really can't stop being on the Discord. Totally. It's addicting. Once you're on there, you're in there. You normally full of beans? What does that even mean? Oh, happy? True. Bro, that's not me. That's the market, bro. The market's down bad, bro. No, it's really just because it's the middle of the night and I'm tired. I'm about to go to sleep, honestly. But, bro, I lost 7 soul in the last 3 days. Bro, this has not been the market to trade in. It's been a bloodbath, especially on the weekend. Like I just said, it's been a lot of artificial market manipulation, a lot of stuff getting shoved down. It's dangerous times to jump in because when across the board every asset is bleeding, like Solana for example dropping well below 200, Bitcoin dropping well below 100k, people are going to try to make up for their losses elsewhere, and unfortunately that means all of the scum and villainy of the blockchain crawl out of the woodwork and start trying to rug you guys left and right with rapid fire lazy projects. And so that's what's a big saturation in the market right now. Things are not performing. In addition to that, a lot of people just have kind of more defensive trading strategies during this period, again trying to safeguard their losses. So you're going to see less conviction on charts across the board. A lot of people selling faster, selling for lower multipliers. 1.25 times they'll sell because it's just a bad market. X-Gamer says, what was the cause of Phantom crash? I don't know, there was a Phantom crash? Oh, did Phantom Wallet crash? Oh, wow. Interesting. Did Solana crash on Phantom? Wow. A lot of people posting this. Are you guys seeing this?
This is a crypto
basically
rap
just a line
exclusive.
where there should be a value. Nobody wants to see that. Larpson coming in with the Frog King. Risky Sneak says XDC massive sellout tomorrow. Forget tomorrow, bro. Massive sellout right now. That asset is trash. Not financial advice. Get the hell out of Onyx Coin, bro. You talking about this thing? Frog the King? Bro, this pair has very little liquidity, Larpson. What are you talking about? What? A rug pull? Welcome to the stream, everybody. Good to have you. Let me chip her up. Let me put my smile on. Stop looking so sad. We're gonna be okay, guys. 300 says, you be trading all day? Nah. I didn't do any trading today. Honestly, didn't do shit today, bro. Risky Sneak says CTFU. It's a bad market to trade in right now, 300. Stuff's red left and right. Aping new pairs is a sure way to get burned. There are some projects that are looking strong, that look like they're defying the outside market conditions, but they're few and far between. A lot of you guys probably hold XRP, right? And XRP got utterly cooked. Did you guys think you would see that much under the $3 threshold? 300 says, I made 12K off Trump and been chilling since. Respect. Good on you for getting out of that coin, bro, because we were just looking at that chart. She. Looks like a rough go of things, bro. Pretty much going straight down. Maximo says, why not normal stocks? Normal stocks move too slowly, my dear friend. Cryptocurrency moves way faster. Way faster. The modern working man, you know, when you're just getting started, you're working that minimum wage job, you're doing the night shift, you don't have a lot of capital. You can't really make a lot of money quick in stocks, but you can make a lot of money quick in crypto. With very little capital, you find the right spot trade on an early meme that ends up flying, you're gonna make life-changing money fast. That's why crypto, bro. In crypto, you can change your life in a night. Stocks, that's slow money, bro. That's the long game. I'm not worried about the long game. Look at me. I'm young. I'm handsome. I've got many years left until I have to worry about the long game. Got a trade on Axiom Trade? Yeah, I haven't traded on Axiom Trade yet, but I am familiar with it. There is an Axiom referral in the crypto
This
app
is a
Discord
crypto
if you
rap
guys are interested in
exclusive.
tapping into Axiom. It's not my referral. It's part of the Monkey Pod. Fanta on Sol. 222 market cap. Curly says, what do you trade on? Typically BullX. Here we are right here. You can see the BullX interface. BullX Neo to be specific. But yeah. Fanta on Sol. Well, this thing just got obliterated, bro. Look at this rug pull. This is terrible. Bloodbath. That's I don't like that, bro. I mean, it's recovered fine since then, but geez Louise, bro. No, like what platform? What do you mean? Like what blockchain? These are Solana coins on BullX. BullX is a platform for trading. I don't know what you mean. I also use BonkBot on occasion. Thoughts on Hood? So Hood was very promising not too long ago. SS141 says, is ETH ever going to go? Seems like the bull run is over. I don't know if the bull run is over overall, but it might be over for ETH. People are very bearish on ETH right now. There are other assets in the market that are dazzling. Very, very top performers that are definitely outperforming Ethereum. Ethereum's been underperforming. Doesn't have a lot of hype around it. There's not a catalyst in the foreseeable future that's going to drive Ethereum upwards. Everyone's looking to the past for Ethereum's value. And right now, in crypto, in the market, all the value is in speculation. It's all forward looking. It's all about technology. It's all about mass adoption. Ethereum's not built for that. And neither are a lot of the layer 2 blockchains underneath it. So it's kind of bearish right now. I'm not interested in Ethereum right now. Look into Helio, bro. It's kind of sick. I'll check it out in a bit. So Robinhood was looking great for a while. Then it looked terrible. Now it's looking good again. Showing a sign of life right here. But there's definitely going to be some sell pressure coming from this recent down trace because this thing was heavy, right? A lot of people are going to want to try to rotate out on any semblance of a pump. But it's been doing a good job of recovering. It's a good narrative, right? Robinhood is one of the most popular finance platforms in the world. A lot of people use it. It's super recognizable across the board. So, Risky Sneak says, I checked my soul on Phantom. True story, it's not accessible. That's crazy. So it's still down, even now for over an hour. I think going on 2 hours based on the timeline of the tweets. Phantom has been crashed. You cannot see your balance in Phantom. That's crazy. Does anyone know if that's that's true on mobile, but is it true on if you go to desktop and try to open Phantom in the extension? Pieter says Nova Wallet. True. Or BullX or whatever. Phantom is great though. With the integration of Sui, I think that puts them ahead of the curve in a big way. Thanks for the rose. Because Phantom is a really intuitive wallet. It's one of the biggest mass adoption wallets. And before that, you had to use Suiet or something like that. And I think Phantom is just going to be way better. So that's actually bullish for Sui as a chain right now. And we're seeing a couple Sui coins up here on the top. Let's look at the list and sort by market cap. Deep, Cetus, Lofi, Hippo, Axel. Axel might be a good one to look at around now. Yeah. Jester says, I have access to my Phantom, no issues all night. Litchi Brown says, yo, I'm looking at a strong coin and looking at your opinion about it. What's up? Let's see the coin. Santiago says, Heliograph's gonna change the game, IMO. Let's look at it. Helio. Okay. Well, good on you for being optimistic about it, bro, but the chart doesn't look so optimistic. If it is going to change the game, if it is going to perform well in the future, it's at a great spot, right? Like, it's ranged downwards, fantastic buying opportunity under 2 million. This is a coin that almost touched 10 million, or actually did range over 10 million. So, keep an eye on it. Santiago says it's got real utility. The market has turned away from AI coins, right? So a lot of quality projects have been bleeding lately for no good reason other than appetite has shifted. And when it comes back, it might continue to perform. Litchi says Musket coin, 18 hours old, 8 bill market cap. What? What? $8 bill market cap, bro. That would put it at like over double the market cap of Trump. That just doesn't make sense. If it came out 18 hours ago, is it like some real shit? It's not really showing up. Interesting. Check out Nadix is going to change the game on the blockchain and the real world. Let's do it. Talk about this thing. Blockchain-based and crowdsourced camera network creating a real-time map of the world. So is this camera like a Google Maps camera where they got the 360 thing on the top? Or is this like camera like they're looking at Tesla? Interesting. Huh. So they're integrating with Tesla and they are collecting data. I think data collection on the blockchain is something that hasn't really been leveraged to its full potential yet. So it's good tech. That's optimistic. There's many potential applications for the blockchain in everyday real life businesses and Web2 businesses, and I think data storage, if you can find the right technology at the blockchain side, that it's fast, that it's cheap, that it's efficient, then yeah, this could definitely be successful going forward. I like that it's built on Solana, has a decent market cap, good tech, etc., etc. Sounds good. Litchi says real coin. I see it on CoinGecko. I'm a rookie, so I don't know. It doesn't look that good to me, bro. That one, that musket. I'm gonna hit that with the fade. Staking rewards navigation and camera with real world equipment on Tesla. So that part is really cool too, the Tesla direct integration, because maybe Elon will tweet about it or something. You never know. SS141 says Phantom app is showing all the balances but only lines for Solana balance. Yeah, there's a glitch right now in Phantom. It's kind of down on their side. Try not to panic. It should get fixed soon, hopefully. Otherwise they're in for a big controversy. And also, it's not happening for everyone. It's only happening for some people. And if you have your private key, you might be able to put it onto the browser extension and it'll probably work over there. But yeah. Welcome to the stream, everybody. You are watching Crypto Rap Live. This is a Crypto Rap exclusive, and I am your host. I go by the name of Why Not. I'm the greatest crypto rapper of all time. You are the greatest audience of all time. Thanks for tuning in. Keep those coins coming. Let's check them out. Let's do ICP. There it is. $6.97. Let's go all time on this, bro. This chart is... Look, it starts all the way up here and then it just goes down and it just stays down forever. This is the all-time. This has been 5 years. 5 years of just going down. Bro. Come on. What is a good coin to trade to make right now? I don't know. The market is down really bad right now. And left and right, a lot of projects are bleeding. And people are trading very defensively. It's very PvP out there. A lot of people are deploying false projects, trying to rug and get a quick buck. So it's a hard market to trade in right now. It's a great opportunity to scale into quality projects, blue chip projects that you know are going to come back and bounce. Not really a good chance to like degen and stuff. Poor party. I don't see that. DWG. What? No. Don't give a dog that, bro. Opinions on MLG. So I'm pretty bearish on MLG, but I have to admit this has been one of the best stunts ever pulled in the history of crypto. Having Aiden Ross on a stream in front of hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people, with top tier crypto KOLs talking about this project, making an investment live on stream, losing $12,000 in front of an audience of hundreds of thousands of people, that's bold. That's bold. That's cutting edge. I like that. So they've recovered generously from their dip. They've honestly been performing better than I've expected. Jesse says, what project? The project is MLG. MLG. But yeah, a lot of big names in the industry are supporting this, and a lot of people that I respect are supporting this. So it's hard for me to fade it. I think it has a good collection of folks supporting it. Do you think XRP does anything long term, or has it hit its top? It's in a really tricky spot right now, right? It got hit by that recent price dump more than most projects for whatever reason. And going forward, a lot of the things that were making it bullish, the deregulation of crypto, the tax exempt status, all of that stuff has yet to materialize in a very real way. And so that puts it in a tricky spot. Until those rumors start coming true, until we start seeing some more mainstream big splashing plays and catalysts, it's just not going to move. So we'll see. GasPass says XCN hit ETH this cycle. XCN is nonsense, bro. I don't like that coin at all. MLK, let's check it out. Yeah, bro, I don't know about this one. It's just a derivative play. These things tend to be very short-lived. The chart looks fine, and it's less than 8 hours old, so it's still too early to tell. But I don't think this is going to be doing very well long term. I think it's probably going to be at zero within the next 6 days. Not financial advice. Come back and screen clip that if it moves. ZVCN. This one? Interesting. 5 months, 11 days old, 61.8 million market cap. Meteor liquidity pool. Let's go all time on this. Yeah, I don't know. Real-time payroll apps, on-chain payment infrastructure, and network DePIN serves companies of all sizes, merchants, and individuals. So I'm not going to assess this based on the chart. I'm going to assess this based on the utility. This is great for mass adoption. This is cryptocurrency as you want to see it. It's being implemented in real-world use cases. Actual companies, Web 2 companies that otherwise would be using different HR software are using Solana-based HR software to use their stuff. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. This is what you want to see for the Solana blockchain, right? This is when people commonly say that, like, you know, crypto's not real, there's no purpose for it, that it's just about like meme coins and things without substance. These are the projects that you have to show them. There is real tech under the hood here. They are actually in the real world, being used by companies, and I think that's really cool. I want to see more projects like that, and there will be more projects like that. Finally, with Solana, with the low transaction fees, with the quick speeds, we have a blockchain that actually can sustain that kind of stuff, that actually, you know, can support that kind of attention. Thoughts on Mantra? That's not like a meme coin, right? That's like a big coin. The Ohm. Let's max this. You know what? I'm honestly surprised that nobody has asked me about this cycle. This is doing fantastic. Are you kidding me? From 2020 up till now, seeing the best price action. Whoops. I don't know why I just did that. Seeing the best price action in its history, soaring upwards super confidently, pushing that all-time high. You have to understand, this thing was at less than 5 cents, in some cases like 1 cent, and then now it's pushing almost $6 and more. Super cook. When people are talking about XCN, I honestly, it makes me sick to my stomach. XCN is a nonsense project. XCN is not performing. It is at a small pimple compared to its all-time high. If you are interested in XCN, look at this. Look at Mantra. Because this thing has given unimaginable returns to people that have had conviction in it in the past 2 years. That's pretty fantastic. Joe Poor says, bro, I started a coin for you. Uh-oh. Meme face. Let's look at meme face.
This is a crypto rap.
Thanks for a follow, Bridget. Meme face. Well, I guess. It's really in a museum? Yeah, I don't know. This doesn't really look good. The chart doesn't look that good. And I understand it's a meme face, but who cares? It's a pretty old school meme. But yeah, I'm not gonna fade it too heavy. It's not totally dead. Velodrome Finance. Velodrome Finance. Which one? Like, a velodrome is a place that you ride a bicycle around, isn't it? Let's go max on this. Yeah, I don't know. This thing tanked. Why did this tank?
Generational
Hey,
wealth.
thanks for the let him cook. Why did this thing tank since December? Like, the market has not been performing this poorly. So this thing has definitely been underperforming recently. I don't really like what I'm seeing here. Monta? Don't see it. Solana? Bruh. What? This is just a rug pull. 1 million volume, $100 market cap? What? I can't even trade that. It's got no liquidity. Digicoin? Let's look at Digicoin. Are they performing well recently? Is that why you're coming here? They've been doing a big back and forth. They're in an alright spot, right? They're in the lower region of their range. If they see a recovery like they've seen in the past, they'll definitely do better than where they're at right now. This is a project with some real tech behind it, with a team that's working on it and a community that's been diamond handing for almost 2 months now. This guy right here who's in the community says they're going to be big soon, so maybe they have some big development in the future or some kind of other catalyst. Keep an eye on these guys. Digicoin. They're at some of the best opportunity to enter that you've seen in recent history on their chart. So Joe says all coins are rug pulls unless they form a function in the chain. Well, Digicoin forms a function, and I think it might even be on the chain. So take a look. Take a look at what they're up to. Moneymaker says thoughts on Fat Cat. Let's check it out. Shout out to Fat Cat. Oh, you guys changed your picture, no? Where am I tripping? Chart looks great on Fat Cat. This thing's interesting because it's such a slow burn, right? It doesn't get a lot of volume. It doesn't move a lot. But this thing is 2 months and 13 days old, and it's pretty much ranged upwards in its entire history. So it looks fantastic on this totally zoomed out scale. And there must be some kind of really diamond-handed, high-conviction community behind this for it to be getting this kind of performance. I'm honestly impressed. I'm impressed that they've managed to maintain this kind of chart through 2 months in some of the worst price action we've seen in recent history in the rest of the market. Boogers. Let's look at boogers. Bro, I don't see that. Dot fun. Let's look at dot fun. This one doesn't look good. You have to understand, there are much better looking pump fund coins in the market. I'm not going to pull them up because I don't really remember them off the top of my head, but in recent history, I've seen a lot of pump fund coins that have been performing fantastic. That one is not one of them. That one's only at like, what, 30k market cap? I hit that with an L. Did you look at Telcoin? No, but I can. Telcoin. Let's look at it over here. We have looked at it in the past. Let's go max on this. This one I'm not impressed with, right? So it used to have a really, really tall all-time high, fell down quite convincingly. This was, 4 years ago or something like that. And now it's starting to quote-unquote recover, but this is not a true recovery. If you look in the past, it's had these little blips before, and I'm not convinced that this is going to be much more than a blip. There's better performing assets in the market for sure.
This is a crypto rap.
Brigitte says, Telcoin was approved with regulations today. First U.S. crypto bank. Well, that's pretty bullish. That's pretty bullish. It's going to take catalysts like that to break the historic trend that they've been hitting that ceiling at.
This is a crypto
but that's a
rap
pretty
exclusive.
heavy piece of news. Congrats to them. The chart might reflect that pretty soon. Amino AI. Let's do it. SWA. We'll look at SWA. Amino, I know Amino. I know the guy who made Amino. I've connected with their team before on another project. 10 million market cap, 65k volume. I like what they're up to. It's a reward system for healthful lifestyle. Like I don't know, do your daily jog and you get some Amino points and you can cash that in for a Starbucks gift card or whatever. So it's a cool concept, and especially since it's been integrated on the blockchain. Their failure is that it's on Ethereum, and Ethereum doesn't really work for mass adoption like Solana does, like even Base does, or other chains. So yeah, I like the project, I like the use case, but I'm not convinced that it'll continue to perform. SWA. Yeah, sorry, bro. I don't really see it. Don't really see it. Amino AI on Sol. They just be making new coins out of anything. 1 day old, 3.8 mil volume, 300k market cap. You guys got farmed. You guys got farmed. I don't think this is real. I think this was a LARP, just to take your guys' money. And I think it worked. I'm not optimistic about this. Can you look up Gunit token? Gunit. Yeah, I know that it's his own coin. That's fine. I'll still look at it, but I just can't find it. Is it not bonded yet? Gunit. Whoa, 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 whoa. The fuck? Yeah, I don't know. That chart looks pretty awful.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
How much many in this day? Gunna isn't a coin. No, I get it. I get it. I understand now. You have to understand. It's the middle of the night here. I'm pretty tired. What a father, says Earl Griffin. I am not a father. Got him. Damn. Check XPR. Check it over here. Got me fucked up. Let's go max time on this. Again, you guys are showing me
This is a
pimples,
crypto
man.
rap exclusive.
This chart used to look promising 4 years ago. Since then, all of the speculative value has been crushed. Unless there is some kind of miracle, Hail Mary development. This thing's not going anywhere. What a father is a meme coin? Oh, I thought you were talking about me, bro. Come on. What? True? What's a father? Respect. LLJ. But it's a rug pull, bro. Is this like a metaphor? Being a father is a rug pull? I could see that. I could see that. It's a thankless job. Thoughts on Ondo? Let's look at it. You guys are showing me the fucking normie coins today. Alright. This one I really like. I've looked at this on stream before. This one's been performing great. Great upward trend here. And relatively new project. So might still have its best days ahead of it. If this bull run continues, if we hit the super cycle we're expecting, that can definitely continue to perform. Memdex, let's run it. Memdex. Hey, thanks for the rose. And thanks for the goat. I appreciate that. Bah. Nice. Memdex is recovering pretty generously. 30 mil. Little W right there on the chart. It's ranging upwards with a lot of buy pressure. I think it's a great looking chart. Bzz, thanks for the lightning. And it's a cool project, right? If they accomplish what they say they want to accomplish, then this is going to be a great onboarding tool for another generation of investors. It makes accessing meme coins much easier. It's great tech under the hood. Thanks for the heart. The problem is they have to deliver that tech, and on their own roadmap, they say they're not going to deliver that tech until Q4 of this year. That means they are months away from actually having a product. And in crypto, months is too long of a time to wait. But despite all of that, they've managed to continue to perform. So honestly, it's hard to fade them. Good looking chart over there. Agent XBT. Here's Agent XBT, a little moonshot coin. Not the best looking chart, but with moonshot coins, they never are. It might continue to range up. You might have maybe someone puts it on a TikTok stream and it pumps up like this. Or you get that slow and steady high conviction diamond handed communities building. You got to jump in there and check out for yourself. Valentine's. Let's look at Valentine's. Look, I gotta say, I'm pretty bearish on holiday narratives in general, and this one looks terrible. The chart looks fine, but it just got rug pulled, and it's only 60k market cap. This thing's 11 months old. I don't know. This reeks of some CTO where they're just trying to farm you guys. Optics? Is that a real coin?
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
Hey, thanks for the follow. This is a crypto rap exclusive. Jeez Louise, what a mudslide. I wouldn't touch this chart with a 10-foot pole. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate that. Zygo? Zygo the frog. What a cute little frog. What a weird looking frog, actually. 5 months, 30 days old, 3k volume. That one looks like trash. Is it a different one? Is it this one you're talking about? Because this one looks even worse. I don't know. Neither of these look very good. Toshi? Let's do it. Toshi has been performing pretty well. They had a generous little pump at the bottom. Look at this. They had a pretty good green candle when most of the market was red. Toshi, for whatever reason, absolutely outperformed everyone else and flew. There must have been some kind of catalyst coming from the base end, but good for them. High conviction Toshi holders were rewarded at that pump. And they haven't dipped as much as I thought they would, considering how hard the market's been elsewhere. So hopefully they keep this up. Jaden says, I bought last night during the dip last night, but I don't care what to do now. So you bought like down here and then it went like this? Congratulations. That's fantastic. You have to figure out whatever it was that caused this pump. If that has a likelihood of happening again or of continuing to cause positive price action over the next few days, then hang on. Otherwise, celebrate your victory. Meme face? Not financial advice. We looked at meme face already. It looks alright. I don't think it's that cool. Yay? Which yay? Is there a yay that's performing well? This one? Is this the one that they're talking about? 1.3 mil market cap, 3.8 mil volume. It's a 1-year-old coin that they're trying to CTO. Look, until Kanye drops his own official coin, I don't think a Ye coin's gonna do very well. None of these look very good. Market cap 1 mil. Yeah, that's the one with the market cap 1 mil.
This is a Crypto Rap
Hood.
exclusive.
Yeah, we've been looking at Hood. Hood's honestly been doing pretty good. It's been good in the Hood lately. They've been recovering generously. Look at this. They had a heavy dip, and now they're up about halfway to all-time high. Still have a stretch to go, but this is a solid narrative, right? This is something that anybody can get behind. This is one of the most popular finance apps in the world. It's an institution. Thanks for the rose. Thanks for the rose. Thanks for the rose. Thanks for the rose. And the ice cream. And the ice cream. GG. And the 2025. Check that. Yeah, but I can't copy and paste contract address from TikTok Live Studio. So you gotta tell me the ticker. What's the ticker? Rapper? Oh, I've seen this one. This one's pretty dope. I wish it was performing better than it is. I know there's a high conviction community over here. It's a decent narrative as far as crypto goes. I don't know. It has been underperforming a little bit lately. They gotta bring it back somehow. They gotta get innovative. Go back to the drawing board as a community. Work smarter, not harder. Thanks for all the gifts. The ticker is Father. Oh yeah, we looked at Father. We already saw it on stream. XXX Tentacion TikTok meme. Yeah. We were just looking at this not too long ago. 1 day, 4 hours old, 1.2 mil volume, 129k market cap. Might be a good meme on TikTok, but it has not translated to the blockchain very well. It's honestly just been getting farmed the whole time too. Like, look at this. Pretty much every time it goes up, there's just deep red candles. Someone doesn't want this to succeed. People with big holdings are just collecting a lot of money here, so I don't know. AI browser extension to any agent? Yeah, you definitely don't want to download a browser extension coming from crypto, bro. Unless that shit is like MetaMask or Phantom. You definitely don't want to download a browser extension coming from a chart that looks like this, bro. You're gonna get drained.
This is a Crypto Rap exclusive.
That's crazy. JAI. Let's check it out. JAI. Japanese Akita Inu. I thought this was going to be an AI coin, but it's actually just a dog coin. 1 day, 19 hours old. That's kind of refreshing, honestly. Maybe it's time for another meme animal run. 493k market cap, 500 and climbing. 6.8 mil volume. That ratio is a little out of whack. There must have been some pretty heavy sells here or some artificial volume or something. But it's a fine narrative. It's a cute dog. I do appreciate how refreshing it is. I like the trick of the name that you think it's an AI coin and then it's not. Hey bro, go check Punk. Let's go check Punk. Mr. Punk, you're really making coins out of that guy? Bro, he rug pulled everyone. this is a
This is a
nonsense
crypto
coin.
rap exclusive.
Let's go and check Gang, the coin that he made, because it's got to be totally down, right? Yeah, 4.3. That's so funny. One of the worst rug pulls in recent history. Mongini says, bro, can you see my messages? Yes, bro, I already looked at that coin. I pulled it up like 4 coins ago. I read your message, I pulled it up, I talked about it, and then I moved on to the next one. Are you seeing my stream? Hello? What about Meme Face? Yeah, we already saw Meme Face too. Already talked about that one. It looks alright. I don't think it actually looks that good. Moose Holiday says Baron is a time traveler. He might be. He says Dollar Baron. Until that guy makes his real coin. Look, like, why was the Trump family so stupid? Why were they stupid? They launched Melania. Why did they launch Melania? If they had launched Baron, they probably would have created a super generational bull run. Instead, they launched the single most bearish Trump family member. It just doesn't make a lot of sense, but whatever. Breaking the Stigma says, how the hell do you research these meme coins? Breaking the Stigma, discord.gg/cryptorap. Look down there in the chat. Discord.gg/cryptorap. Copy that link, paste it anywhere, join that thing. It's totally free to join. There's over 2,000 people in there. They've joined directly from stream. They're all real human beings just like you. And all experience levels are welcome. They will answer any question you have. They are 24/7, 365 in the chat, looking for quality projects to invest in and leveling up as traders, giving each other advice. Tap into that Discord. They're in the voice chat right now. You can talk to them. They're in the text chat. You send them a message. Doesn't matter what you're doing, join that Discord. It's the best community in crypto. Seriously. Don't take my word for it. Jump in there and look at the leaderboard. They have multi-hundred times calls, 1,000 times calls. Best community vibe. They help each other. They support each other. They care about one another. They're funny. It's dope. Discord.gg/cryptorap. Seriously, it's totally free, so you have nothing to lose by joining. Over 2,000 people in there. Like, I don't know what to tell you guys. Let's look at DNA. DNA does not look good. It does not look good. This is not 2 months ago. 2 months ago, it looked fantastic. It was ruling the market. There was so many derivatives, and it was mooning. But since then, it has absolutely underperformed. You had one little glimmer of hope right here, but it got shoved right back down. I don't think this is going to continue to perform. I don't like what I see here. I'm going to hit DNA with the fade at this point. Doge Father. Let's look at Doge Father. $979K. Again, this chart looks whack. It really looks bad. For 2 months, you haven't been able to break this resistance. That's foul. Orbit. Let's look at Orbit. Orbit. You talking about this thing? Bro, it's literally called Grift. It's literally called Grift. That's it. That's it. That's all you need to know. Antivirus? Let's do it. A couple people joining the Discord right now. It's good to see you all. It's totally free to join. It's over 3,000 people in there. So this was John McAfee's wife launching a coin in his honor, making an AI out of him, and putting him on the blockchain. Daniel says, on what time frame are you looking at these coins? It depends on the coin. We just switched right there from looking at it on a 5-minute to a 1 hour. I could go to a 4 hour on this one. Might hit the day chart if I'm feeling cheeky. On the other coins, when we're looking at like these big coins, we usually go the max time frame. If it's like a well-established altcoin or something like that. But yeah. Gotta look at it on multiple time frames to really understand what you're seeing. Join the Discord, guys. Discord.gg/cryptorap. The link is right down there in the chat. Valentine coin. Don't see it. Check TML. Let's look at TML.
This is a crypto
Thanks
rap
for the follow.
exclusive.
I appreciate that. Apple user 6253835. 10 hours, 27 minutes old, 300k market cap. This thing is soaring. I like what I see here. Pretty good stuff. Great buy pressure. It must be, I don't know. The volume's a little bit high for what I'm seeing here. For the low market cap that we're seeing, there must have been a lot of farming happening on the chart. So that part I don't like. I bet if we look at the top traders, we're going to see a lot of people making off with a lot of bags. But still, they've painted a pretty good looking chart. Jules says, how are you? I'm doing pretty good. It's pretty late here, but I'm doing good. Timecoin. Timecoin. We're launching a movement to decentralize media and challenge monopolized narratives. This is a community takeover. So this is Time, like Time magazine? Was this like they launched, like they hacked somebody's account and then posted it kind of a thing? Breaking the Stigma says, so when's the best time to trade these meme coins? People anecdotally have different levels of success at different times. Discord, like our Discord tends to be most active between like around 8 a.m. to noon Eastern time, and I think historically around 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. are like peak market hours Eastern time. So yeah, I don't know. People have different success with different times. Spend some time in the market, you'll learn. Buttcoin. Let's look at Buttcoin. That's one that we've seen on stream a few times in the past week and change. Oh, you've changed the profile picture. 4 days, 16 hours old. Fart to mine. Buttcoin is the meme version of Bitcoin, born from the viral 2013 video by James D. McMurray. Completely decentralized, just like BTC. Nice. I like this, honestly. I like the narrative. It's a good piece of crypto history. There was a micro meta like a week ago for crypto history coins where there was a lot of coins coming out related to crypto history. Just various moments that were interesting.
This is a crypto
And that
rap
was one of them.
exclusive.
Unfortunately, that micro meta has passed because crypto has such a short attention span that they don't really stick around long. But, yeah. A says, beware of Solmax Army. They also launched Nova and rugged their community. Solmax has been rugging since
This
they
is a
launched
crypto rap
Solmax.
exclusive.
Never touch a coin by Solmax. Never touch a coin that's being pumped and dumped on TikTok. That's why we will never pump and dump coins here on this stream. We always give honest assessments of coins that you guys bring from the chat. Yeah, be very wary whenever some streamer tells you to buy something, because that's only because they want you to buy it because they have money in it. Thoughts on Jasmine? Jasmine. My thoughts are the chart is pretty miserable, bro. If you look at this, it doesn't really look good. Todd Stemmer says Bitcoin not looking good again. Is that true? Let's look at the Bitcoin chart. That is not the Bitcoin chart. It looks fine. It's kind of recovering. You don't think so? I think it's about to get another leg up, bro. I don't think it doesn't look bad. Breaking the Stigma says those glasses blocking out the blue light. Here's what you need to understand, Stigma. Speaking of breaking the stigma, blue light is commonly thought to be the most harmful light for the eyes, but in reality, it's green light. And you have to understand, I'm a successful crypto trader. I see a lot of green light. A lot of the charts I look at have a lot of green on them. So I need these glasses to protect my sensitive eyes. I'm looking at 12 monitors at a time with 50,000 green candles on every single monitor. My portfolio is so green, I get sick if I look at it without glasses. So, yeah. And the number one glasses of choice of any self-respecting crypto trader, Pit Vipers. It's got to be Pit Vipers. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into the stream. It has been an absolute pleasure to have you. I'm actually going to end this stream because I'm going to go to sleep. Thanks for having us. I mean you, the other way around. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. That's the place where the conversation continues. This server, this stream, whatever, listen to me. This stream is over, but that server is 24/7, 365. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. Totally free, always will be. All experience levels welcome. Join that Discord. Join it. It's awesome. Seriously. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. When I say it's the best community in crypto, that's no exaggeration. And that has nothing to do with me. That has everything to do with you guys. You put the work in every day. You're helping each other out. Finding the top quality projects in the space. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. Seriously. Everyone go and join there right now. All experience levels welcome. I don't care if you're totally new. I don't care if you've been in the space for a while. Everybody says it. It's not just me. It's the best community in crypto. If you want a group that performs like a premium group, but it's totally free, discord.gg/CryptoRap. Copy that link, put it into your Google, put it into your Safari. People are joining right now. There's over 2,000 people in there. That's what you have to understand. Every single person's a real human being joined directly from stream, and they want to see you win. This is player pump player. There's no PvP nonsense. There's no exit liquidity, no bullshit. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. The best community in crypto. There's no financial incentive for me for you guys to join. Every financial incentive for you guys to join. Stigma says, are you guys strictly talking meme coins in there? No, we've got channels for everything. We got channels for Sol, XRP, Sui, ETH, Hedera, Hype, BSC, NFTs, Base. There's a boomer channel, a girls channel, all kinds of channels. You can talk about anything in there. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. That's the place to go. Join it. This stream doesn't last forever, but that Discord is 24/7, 365. They're always in the voice chat talking about stuff. They're always trying to find the next big project. That's the place to be. Seriously. Thanks for joining the stream, everybody. It's been an absolute pleasure to have you. Join that Discord. This stream is over, so I'm going to turn this off in a second. I'm actually going to end the stream when I get one more follow. One more follow and I end the stream. You join that Discord and you hit that follow button. When I get one more follow, this stream's over. Oh, Zombie X Army with the follow really quick. All right, thanks. Hey, this stream is over. This stream is done. I'm not going to say a word here anymore, so you better join that Discord, everybody. Join the Discord in the chat, seriously. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. It's totally free. This stream is over, so if you want to continue the conversation, go over there. It's the best community in crypto. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. Make sure you copy that link or join in my bio. I'm about to end this stream right now, so this is your last chance. This is your last chance. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. Don't miss out on the best community ever. Don't do it. A lot of people joining. I'll see you guys there. Take care. God bless you. God bless your portfolio. Thanks for tuning in. This is going to be the most prosperous year of your life, but you have to work for it. 10 toes down. Keep up the great effort. When you lose, pick yourself back up. Learn your lesson. Dust yourself off and get out there. You can do it. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Join that Discord. If you haven't done it already, you're not going to make it. Peace. Mm-hmm.